kinds of adjectives. There are 3 types of adjectives: adjective, qualitative adjectives, quantitative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. Qualitative adjectives. Qualitative adjectives describe the qualities of a person or thing. For example, a healthy baby, a sad song. Each of these adjectives, healthy, sad, tells us what kind of thing or person is, its quality. Such an adjective is, therefore, known as a qualitative adjective. To find out whether an adjective is qualitative or not, we ask the question, what kind of plus, a person or thing? Such as, question, what kind of a baby? Answer, a healthy baby. Question, what kind of a song? Answer, a sad song. Quantitative adjectives. An adjective, which tells us how many or how much of something is meant, is called a quantitative adjective. For example, Imran did not want to take any medicine for his cold. The adjective, any, do not mention any definite number, they just mention quantity. A quantitative adjective of this kind, therefore, answers the question, how much? A quantitative adjective may also mention a definite number. For example, there are 4 kids in the class. A quantitative adjective of this kind answers the question, how many? Demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives like this, that, these, those, such, yonder, which are used to point out particular persons or things, are known as demonstrative adjectives. For example, this is an interesting book. That pen belongs to Rehan. This and these are usually used to point out things or persons close at hand or nearly. For example, this is a frog. That, those and yonder are used to point out things or persons a little distance away. For example, that is a table. Such is usually used in a comparative sense. For example, we have not heard such a story before.